Oh, hello guys, welcome to SatoWallet channel. I'm going to show you how to make use of Tronix on SatoWallet app. First, we're going to have to visit SatoWallet website, that's SatoWallet.com, and there are three versions of the app. There is one on Play Store, one on App Store, and there is the Windows PC version. And we're going to use the Windows PC version right now because they kind of have the same interface, and I've already installed the PC's version on my PC. Alright, so here's my current balance in my wallet right now, and here are the list of coins available on the app. So okay, right now we're going to use Tronix. So let's scroll down to Tronix. Alright, here's Tronix, and Tronix is 0.022 USD. So you can either scroll down and look for a coin, or you can just use this search bar right here, which is a lot more easier to look for a coin. Just type in the name of the coin and it will show up like this. Click on the coin and it will show you the details of the coin. This is my Tronix balance, and this is the equivalent balance of this Tronix in USD. So I'm going to show you how to send and how to receive. Okay, first let's try to send. Okay, you're sending to a friend, you're just gonna have to type in their address, the amount you like to send. Well, if the amount is too much, you can click here to reduce and click here to add. And it also shows in USD the equivalent balance of the amount you're sending. And here is the fee and the equivalent balance of the fee in USD. And then you can add a transactions comment, like say, hey, for example. After that, you can click transfer and your transfer will begin. And if you are receiving a coin, the person you are receiving a coin from will have to scan this barcode right here and to send you the coin, or make use of this address to send you the coin. Okay, let's go to swap coins. Alright, if you are swapping from this is auto exchange from currency. Okay, we're gonna use Tronix right now. So let's scroll down to Tronix from currency. Okay, Tronix. Okay, and then to currency, you can choose any other currency to swap to. Alright, let's say HTML coin. Okay, and amount to swap, let's say 24. Okay, amount exceeds your balance. This amount exceeds my Tronix balance, that's why it won't swap. And okay, 24 Tronix is equivalent to 0.5177 USD, which is also equivalent to 3,189.6 HTML coin. And here's the fee deducted, which is very low, $0.007. And okay, this amount exceeds my balance, that's why it won't swap. But if I reduce the amount, okay, you see now this amount does not exceed my balance, that's why I will be able to swap, and this swap coins function is enabled. Okay, this is swapping. Let's go to exchange. Okay, this is the market, and these are the list of coins available on the app. You can, for exchange, the coins you can exchange with. Okay, Tronix. Okay, let's use Tronix to BTC. Okay, wow. Okay, these are the bids and ask. The trade on SatoWallet. Okay, and between BTC and Tronix. BTC to Tronix. Wow, this is a huge trade, and this trade is only for 24 hours because this list refreshes every 24 hours. That's every day. And then okay, so this is the buying part and this is the selling part. So if you're buying, then you just type in the amount the Tronix amount, and it will show you here in dollar, and then the BTC amount will show in US dollar. And then if you want to sell, then Tronix amount, BTC price. If you are buying, you click buy. If you are selling, you click sell. So clicking on either one of these buttons is going to make you an order, and your order will show up right here in my orders. So and if you don't want with your order, then you can just cancel your order, and there will be a cancel button right here on the order. And if you want to make another order, you just go back to trade, order again, and it will show up right here again. This is the trade history between BTC to Tronix. Okay, these are the types, prices, and amount. Okay, types are the buys and sells, prices, here are the figures, and amount, here are the figures as well. Okay, let's go to currency. Alright, I'm going to show you how to change fiat currency from one currency to another currency. Right now, my currency is USD. So I'm going to change to another currency to show you how it works. Okay, it's these are the list of currencies, and it's a long list, so we're just going to pick any one. Okay, let's go with Hong Kong. Okay, it's going to take some seconds to change. Okay, currency has been changed. Let's go back to my accounts to see what happened. Okay, before here it was showing USD, and now it's showing Hong Kong dollar because I changed my fiat currency from USD to Hong Kong dollar. Okay guys, thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it.